Hi there, window warriors and hurricane heroes. Ready to dive into the wild world of Florida product approvals? Welcome to the Florida Product Approvals 101 video series, where we help window professionals, estimators, and salespeople understand essential product approvals for the high-velocity hurricane zone, following the Florida Building Code. In this series, we'll walk through each section of a Notice of Acceptance, or NOA, issued by Miami Dade County, or a Florida Product Approval issued by the Florida Building Commission. Every manufacturer of windows and doors must obtain this approval to ensure their products are rated for hurricane protection. I'll now pass on to my team members who will guide you through a product approval explanation.
Thank you, Mark. Let's start by taking a look at a typical NOA. When you open an NOA, the first page will always have the same layout. On the left, the Miami Dade County logo, and on the right, the Miami Dade County Product Control Section information, including the address, phone number, and website. This header remains consistent across all product approvals. Immediately below, you'll find another header section containing the name and address of the window or door manufacturer. This is crucial information for identifying the company behind the product. Scope section. Here, you'll find a general explanation that this approval has been issued under applicable rules and regulations governing construction materials. It's important to note that this document has been reviewed and accepted by Miami-Dade County's Regulatory and Economic Resources, or RER. As you continue reading, you'll come across the product information section, which includes details like the series name and the material of the product, such as aluminum or vinyl. Approval section. The approval section typically includes the drawing number, revision dates, and any additional information related to the product. You'll also see the name of the professional engineer who signed and sealed the document. Missile impact grading section. This section is crucial for hurricane protection, as it specifies whether the product is rated for large or small missile impact, or sometimes both. In another video, we will elaborate on this topic. Labeling and advertising guidelines. Every approved product must come with an attached label, and this label must meet the requirements outlined in the approval. Following this is a note about advertising, which states that if the NOA number is used in any advertising, it must be displayed in its entirety along with the expiration date. These guidelines are more about compliance with marketing rules than engineering specifics. Inspection section. The inspection section outlines that a copy of this approval must be provided by the manufacturer or distributor for all inspections on job sites. If the approval has been renewed after expiring, the new approval will reference the superseded NOA, maintaining continuity for that product. NOA number, expiration date, and approval date. At the bottom right of the page, you'll find the NOA number, which is a 2-digit number representing the year of approval, followed by a 4-digit number and then a 2-digit revision number. Just below that, you'll see the expiration date, which is extremely important because after the date, the product is no longer valid for permitting in Florida unless revised. Beneath the expiration date is the approval date, which shows when the product was initially certified. This helps ensure you're working with a current and active approval. Next, we move to the technical aspects of the approval, such as the calculation section. This is where you'll find important details like anchor verification and structural analysis, which must comply with the latest edition of the Florida Building Code. Finally, we come to the drawing section, where you'll need to check that your existing conditions match the limitations and approvals listed. The specific drawings will provide more information about how the product is designed to perform under certain conditions. This concludes the general overview of the typical first page of a Notice of Acceptance. Now, we'll dive deeper into specifics to review the detailed sections of various products.